Does expungement restore gun rights in Michigan? If you've been convicted of a felony in Michigan, you may have lost your right to possess firearms under both state and federal law. However, Michigan's felon-in-possession statute under MCL 750.224F provides a crucial exception for convictions that have been expunged or set aside. Under this law, the firearm restrictions do not apply to expunged convictions unless the expungement order specifically states you cannot possess firearms or ammunition. Michigan law divides felonies into two categories for firearm purposes: specified felonies and non-specified felonies. For non-specified felonies, you cannot possess firearms for 3 years after completing your sentence, paying fines, and finishing probation or parole. After 3 years, your firearm rights are automatically restored under state law without needing a court petition. Specified felonies require a 5-year waiting period and a court petition for restoration, unlike non-specified felonies, which restore automatically. Specified felonies include crimes involving the use or threat of physical force, controlled substance offenses, unlawful firearm possession, explosive use, or burglary of occupied dwellings. The penalty for violating Michigan's firearm restrictions is severe, up to 5 years in prison and a fine of up to $5,000. Michigan's Clean Slate Act significantly expanded expungement eligibility, allowing up to 3 felonies and unlimited misdemeanors to be expunged via petition. The law also introduced the one bad night rule, where multiple felony convictions within 24 hours count as one conviction for expungement purposes. Automatic set-aside is now available for qualifying misdemeanors after 7 years and eligible felonies after 10 years, subject to statutory exclusions. However, certain serious offenses can never be expunged, including crimes punishable by life imprisonment, criminal sexual conduct, and child abuse offenses. When a conviction is successfully expunged, it removes the Michigan firearm restriction unless the expungement order specifically preserves that limitation. Understanding whether your conviction qualifies for expungement and how it affects your gun rights requires careful analysis of Michigan's complex legal framework. Contact Paul J. Tafelski, Michigan Defense Law at 248-451-2200, located at 2525 S. Telegraph RD Suite 100, Bloomfield Hills, Michigan 48302, to schedule your free consultation today